Bowling fifth and final over. Vishant. Nishant is the batsman and Vinod is the fifth and final bowler from the side of Om Datta. Just 2 runs away from the victory. Good ball from Vinod. Just a single run to the total. Score moves to 78. Good ball from Vinod. Chance for the run out. And that's a victory to Bang Bang. They registered their first victory over Om Datta. Now all ready for the crucial encounter. This match definitely will be a high pressure match. I request Naren Gaukar, please come on the prize stand to give the man of the match. And I request Raj Naik, please come for. Please collect your man of the match. Please come on the prize stand. Naren Gaukar will present a man of the match to Raj Naik. This match is going to be played between Ganjeshwari cricketers and Ganjeshwari Indians. Definitely going to be one interesting one now. Both are equally strong.
काय देतो तू घे रे येते गड पडेल ले लो तोडा
First delivery and a wide one. Ganjeshwari cricketers open their account with the wide one. 12 men of Ganjeshwari Indians and Ganjeshwari cricketers. That's a huge one over the mid wicket for a huge one. With the 6, the score moves to 7. Score moves to 7. 12 men of both the team. Please contact in the commentary box. Ganjeshwari Indians and Ganjeshwari cricketers. Sagun. This time it's good ball from Sagun. First blow to Ganjeshwari cricketers. 7 for 1. Now Abhishek replacing Here is left-handed. Abhishek is on the strike. He will be facing to Sagun. Good shot from Abhishek. There is no one there in the boundary line region. So 4 more runs to the total. Score moves to 11. Sorry, score moves to 11. Very first over going on. We are in the very first over. 11-4-1. Now Jayesh will start this. Here is Jayesh. And that's a wide one. 2 outside the off stump. With this one more extra, the score moves to 15. This time another extra to the total. Another wide one from you, Jayesh. Just missing a line there as a result. One more to the total. Score moves to 16. This time a full toss one and right treatment to the full toss delivery. A huge 6 over the long off for 6. With this one, with the 6, the score moves to 22 for 1. This time there is a fielder, chance for the catch, and it's taken. A huge blow to Ganjeshwari cricketers in the form of Abhishek, an informed batsman walking back into the pavilion. Very upset with himself. Score remains on 22. Losing another wicket. 22 for 2 now. Second over going on. Jayesh is the bowler. On the strike is Dharmanan. And the new man in is at the non-strike end is Kush. Good ball from Jayesh. Just a single run to the total. With this one, the score moves to 23. We are in the second over. Score moves to 23. Full toss delivery and right treatment to that delivery. Good shot from Kush. With the 6, the score moves to 29. Score moves to 29. Another, this time there is a fielder and is taken. Second attempt is taken, that catch. Another blow to Ganjeshwari cricketers. This time is Kushu walking back into the pavilion. And Amol replacing Kush. Good shot from Dharmanan. There is a fielder, Gauresh. Just a single run to the total. With this one, the score moves to 30. After the completion of 2 overs, score 30 for 2. Ganjeshwari cricketers. Now Sunil will start the third over from the side of Ganjeshwari Indians. Pavilion. Suddenly a collapse from Ganjeshwari cricketers. They are 30 for 5 now. 30 for 5. Sunil is on the hat trick. Good bowling from Sunil. What a bowling from Sunil. So far, not a single run scored in this over. What a bowling from Sunil. Oh, that's another wicket goes down. This time it's Sunny walking back into the pavilion. And what a ball from Sunil, right up into the black hole. Sunny walking back into the pavilion without scoring. And the captain. And the captain is walking into the walking down the center is Amir. Sorry, is the icon player. Abhishek is the captain. Now Ganjeshwari cricketers are in deep trouble. They are lose their 6th wicket and the score remains on 30 only. We are in the third over after these 2 more overs to go and they are 6 down already. Good shot from Amit. There is a fielder coverage and it's taken. That's the 4th wicket to Sunil. That's a very good bowling from Sunil. 4th wicket to Sunil. What a bowling. So far, the over of the tournament. Still 1 more to go. Still 1 more to go. 5 balls and 4 wickets. What a figure. Now Pritesh Newman going down to the center. Here is Sunil. What a bowling. 5 balls, 4 runs, no run. 4 wickets. 5 balls and 4 wickets. This time just a single run to the total. Just 1 run of the over and taken 5 wickets. That's a very good figure from Sunil. So far the over of the tournament. 4 wickets, 1 over, 4 wickets and 1 run. 1 run and 4 wickets. What a figure. Now Govresh will start the 4th over from the side of Ganjeshwari Indians. Scores 31 for 7. 31 losing 7 wickets. Good ball from Gaurish. Very fortunately, dot one. Here is Gaurish. Consecutive second dot delivery. Good bowling from Gaurish. This time, a good shot from Manjunath. With the 6, the score moves to 37. Slightly overpitched from Gaurish. As a result, Manjunath hammered that ball for 6 runs. Good shot from Manjunath. No one is there in the extra cover region. With this 4 more runs, the score moves to 41. Score moves to 41. Here is Gaurish. There is a fielder. Chance for the catch and is taken. Another blow to Ganjeshwari cricketers. The 8 down now. (41) 8 down for 41. Now the next match will be played between Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. Here is Gaurish with his next delivery. Good shot from Pritesh. There is a fielder Mandan. But that's a very good shot from Pritesh. With this 4 more runs, the score moves to 45. After the completion of 4 was 45 for 8. Ganjeshwari cricketers. Now Dilip will going to bowl the 5th and final over from the side of Ganjeshwar Indians. On the strike is Vasu. Dilip bowling right arm round the wicket. On the strike is Vasu. Short pitch delivery. That's a 2 outside the off stump. With this 1 extra, the score moves to 46. 5th and final over going on. Score moves to 46. 46 for 8. Another short with delivery. This time Vasu misses it completely. A dot mark from Dilip. Good shot from Vasu. There is a fielder, but he is just a spectator. With the 6, the score moves to 62. 52, sorry, score moves to 52. 5 to 52. This time, chance for the catch. Dilip is under it and is put down. Dilip is put down a seater over there. With this couple of runs, the score moves to 54. Score moves to 54. Here is Dilip. At this time, Vasu connects it properly, but there is a fielder, Manthan. Oh, chance for the run out and it's gone. Unnecessary run out. Another wicket goes down. This time it's Vasu. Another wicket goes down. It's Vasu walking back into the pavilion. Last batsman. Last batsman is Rutvik. Just 2 balls to go of the fifth and final over. Rutvik is on the strike. Here is Dilip. Good shot from the Rutvik. That's a huge one. And that's a 6. With the 6, the score moves to 60. Score moves to 60. Fifth and last ball of the fifth and final over. On the strike is Rutvik. Here is Dilip. Here is Dilip. Short pitch one. There is a fielder, Manthan. No. Another wicket goes down. That's all out. All down for 60. All down for 60. So Ganjeshwari Indians require 61 runs to win this match. So far the lowest score of the tournament. So Ganjeshwari Indians require 61 runs to win this match. Now the next match will be played between Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. Both the captain, please come for toss.
डायरेक्ट YouTube ओपन केला नाही
गोवा लाईव्ह कास्ट नमाज येता डाटा कोणी हे केले ते कास्ट सीएस पॉलिश कोणी मारला ते डाटा. Now the next match will be played between Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. Both the captain, please come for toss. And the opening pair is going down to the center is Rameshwar and Gauresh. They require 61 runs to win this match. Please hurry up. Umpire, please take fast. Lots of matches to be played. We are already running short of time here. Please hurry up. Both the batsmen, please hurry up. Thank you. On the strike is Rameshwar and Gauresh will be at the non-strike end. They require 61 runs to win this match. Now the next match will be played between Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. Adinath won the toss and decided to field first. Good shot from Rameshwar. There is a fielder. But it falls just in front of Abhishek. Couple of runs to the total. Two for no loss. Very first over is going on. Chance for the catch behind and it's gone. First blow to Ganjeshwari Indians in the form of Rameshwar. Now Kuldeep replacing Rameshwar. They require another 59 runs to win this match. We are in the very first over. Please double up. Kuldeep, please double up. Lots of matches to be played. Here is Kush, ready to bowl. His next delivery, this time bowling right arm. Round the wicket to the left-hander Kuldeepak. Short one. There is a misfielding from Sunny. As a result, 4 more runs to the total. With this 4, the score moves to 6. Here is Kush, ready to bowl his next delivery. This time, slight push in the mid-wicket region for a single. With this one, the score moves to 7. Score moves to 7. Good ball from Rutik. Good delivery from Rutik. Here is Rutik ready to bowl his next delivery and change in the fielding. Kushu is going. Will take the keeping. Full toss one, and that's a no ball declared by the umpire, and that's a huge one from Gauresh. With this 7 more runs, the score moves to 19 and free hit. Score moves to 19. Freed ball now. Is Rutik. Again going for the big one. This time took the outside edge and just a single run to the total. Score moves to 20. Score moves to 20. For 26 for 2. Sunil replacing Kuldeepak. Good shot from Sunil. Short field delivery and hammered that ball over the 6. Over the fine leg region for a huge one with the 6. The score moves to 32. Good ball from the bowler. A dot mark with this score 32 for 2. after the completion of 2 overs.
स्कोर कितना
32 for 2 after the completion of 2 overs.
61 जाए थे
Another 29 runs away from the victory in the remaining 3 overs. Here is Amol. Amol will start the third over from the side of Ganjeshwar cricketers. On the strike is Gauresh. Going for the big one, but will get just a single. There is a fielder. Just a single run to the total. Score moves to 33. Third over going on. Now Sunil is on the strike. Good shot from Sunil. There is a fielder, and that's 4 more runs to the total. With this 4, the score moves to 37. Score moves to 37. Good shot from Sunil. Slightly over Dillari, and over the long on for a huge one. With the 6, the score moves to 43. Score moves to 43. Just 18 runs needed for the victory. Forty-three, just 18 runs away from the victory. Again going for the big one. This time misses completely. Just a single runs in the form of bye. Leg bye. With this one, the score moves to 44. Third over going on. Just 17 runs away from the victory. Here is Gauresh is on the strike, and Amol. This time a good delivery. Just a single run to the total. Chance for the second. No. Just a single run to the total. With this one, the score moves to 45. Here is Amol. Last time in this over. On the strike is Sunil. Good shot from Sunil. That's a huge one. With the 6, the score moves to 51. Score moves to 51. Just 10 runs away from the victory. Just 10 runs in the remaining 2 overs. Just 10 runs away from the victory. Now Abhishek will start the 4th over from the side of Ganjeshwar cricketers. On the strike is Gauresh. Next match will be played between Vishantu Blasters and Adinath. In between, just a single run to the total. Good shot from Gauresh, but will get just a single run. With this one, the score moves to 52. Score moves to 52. Good single run. With this one, the score moves to 53. Score moves to 53. Good ball from Abhishek. Just one big shot and couple of runs away from the victory for Ganjeshwar Indians. Here he is in between Abhishek to Gauresh. Going for the big one. This time it's a huge one. That's a good shot from Gauresh. With the 6, the score moves to 59. Score moves to 59. Just couple of runs away from the victory. Good batting performance. I can say this is a good all-round performance from Ganjeshwar Indians. This time another huge one. That adds a victory to Ganjeshwar Indian, they registered the second consecutive victory in this Uzgaon Premier League Season 1. And that's a congratulations for Ganjeshwar Indians. What a batting display they put here. And the man of the match. I request Rajan Prabhu, please give this man of the match to Sunil Naik of Ganjeshwar Indians. I request Rajan Prabhu, please give this man of the match to Sunil Naik. Sunil Naik, please collect your man of the match. What a performance from Sunil. 1 over, 1 run and 4 wickets. And 23 runs with the bat. Good all-round performance from Sunil. Definitely